Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about 10 things to do when you are stuck at home. So this quarantine is a never ending process and we all are staying at our homes and most of us are bored. So here are my top 10 things that I do to keep myself entertained and also keeping me sane and giving me less anxiety attacks. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please do subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So my first thing to do when you're bored at your home is organize your room. Make it look a little more presentable. So we are in our room for more than 50 to 70% of the time, except the time when we are having dinner, lunch, or we are going out. So it's very important that your room looks a little bit organized, a little bit decorated, and a little bit nice, so that your mind is calm and you really like staying in your room. So I was thinking of doing this wall. It's not completed yet, so I will be doing this wall and a few other things in my room. So you can start by organizing your room and also decluttering the things that you do not want in your life. So what happens if you put a lot of things in your room? It clutters, and your mind is a representation of where you stay. So try and declutter your room, make it more neat, make it more nice, make it more presentable. Okay, my second thing to do when you're bored at your home is read books. I do not need to tell you why you need to read books. Reading books has a lot of benefits. If you are bored, it will kill your time and also you will learn something valuable. So this is my second thing to do when you're bored at home. Read books. Okay, my third favorite thing to do is cooking. So after my 12th, I went out for my college and I was not in my home, so I never really got the opportunity to cook. I love cooking, but I have never tried out different cuisines. So during this lockdown, we all are getting ample amount of time and trying out our hands in cooking. So this really makes you independent as a cook. You do not need a house help always, so that you will be dependent on somebody, so that somebody will cook for you. So learn different cuisines. So I have tried out Indian, Italian, Mexican, and also Bengali cuisines. You can do that as well. So my number 4 is, I have written everything in my phone. So my number 4 is making your perfect cup of coffee. So I really love going to cafes and also Starbucks, CCD, and different small cute cafes and spending my time over there working or reading books. So now we cannot do that. So I'm trying out different coffees. So this is the coffee that I really like by the Colombian Brew. This flavor is good, but you can also try wild vanilla. So I'm trying to make my perfect cup of coffee. How much sugar I need, how much milk I need, how much coffee I need. So I'm trying to make the perfect cup of coffee for myself, because if your coffee is good, you're kick-starting your day on a very positive note and you are fully enthusiastic to start your day. So try and make your perfect cup of coffee. So my number 5 is work on something that you have been passionate about for a very long time but did not get time to work on it. So passion projects. For me, this has been YouTube. For you, it could be Instagram, or you could be wanting to learn guitar, or you could be wanting to learn painting. So do it now. Now is the time. You will never get time like this if you are really passionate about doing something. This is the time. Do it now. So my 6th thing is watch a good TV series or show. So this will really make you the bored Monday blues, and you're getting bored at your home. So this will really calm your mind, and also you will look forward to something. So my top 5 recommendation would be: first is Suits. It's available on Prime. Second is Modern Love. It's also available on Prime. Modern Love is such a good series, heart-warming, heart-melting, and such a good series. You must watch it. It's a love story and it consists of 7 to 8 episodes, I don't remember, but it's a really sweet love story. So then comes The Family Man. It's also available on Prime. 4th is Adia. It's available on Hotstar. What a comeback, man. What a comeback show of Sushmita Sen. I love it. And also the 5th thing is This Is Us. This Is Us and Modern Love is kind of the same, but Modern Love is a little bit different from This Is Us. In the perspective, it has different stories altogether, different phase. But This Is Us is the same plot throughout. So you can definitely watch TV shows, and means if you are getting anxious, it will relax your mind, and also you will feel good. These all are feel good TV series, not very intense like Sherlock Holmes, not very mind boggling, nothing like that, not nothing like Christopher Nolan's movies. It's very simple, very relaxing, very calming kind of TV shows. My number six thing is sixth or seventh, I don't remember. I think seventh. The seventh thing is connect with your friends and family. So we are a lot busy in our life and nobody gets time. So this is the best time where you can connect to your family, the relatives you have not talked to for a longest time, and also your friends. Make time for your friends. Do a virtual setup, connect to them. It will really bring back your memories, and also you will feel so good. I have done that personally. I really feel so good. After 5 years, I am getting to spend so much time with them. I'm talking to them about their life, about my life. There is so much to know, and we have missed on so much when we were out. So connect with your family and friends. So my number 6 is, in a week at least have one pamper session. So do a body scrub or a pedicure, manicure, a face pack, a face mask, or any pamper routine for yourself, because this will really relax your mind, and also give you we cannot go to salon or spa, so everything we need to do at our home. So this pamper session will really you will really feel good by doing this. Okay, so my number 9 and my favorite thing to do when I'm bored at my house is plan for a vacation for 2021 or 2022. I love going out, but we cannot during this lockdown, and I will not, because of the situation that is going out, the pandemic. I cannot risk anybody at my home by going out. So I'm really looking forward to 2021 and 2022 to go out to trips. I was also thinking of doing an international solo trip, but I don't know whether that will be possible or not. So plan for 2021 or 2022, wherever you want to go. See the places, the air tickets, the places you want to see. Make a list down, make a budget, make the number of days you want to do. This is my by far the favorite thing that I do when I'm getting bored. Number 10 thing is work on your personality. So this is something we all want to improve, and this is something that we need to really work. So your personality does not get improved overnight. So this is the thing that you need to work on. If you are really bored, read some self-help books or from online. What are the things that you really like? If you are not good at spoken, try to speak more English. Try to get emphasis on more. If you are really shy about your body type, then work on that. Improve your personalities, because personality is something that it stays with us for lifelong, and you really need to be presentable. You really need to be more than personality, also work on your mental state and mental health. So this is very important. Work on your personality. So these were my top 10 things to do when I'm bored at home. I hope you like this video and you find this video little bit informative, and if you have seen so far, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you soon in the next video.